It is fresh. Check that out, guys. Get your merch today. What's going on, you guys? My name is Jose and welcome back to the IPO Nerd, the best place to learn about new companies going public and how to invest in them. Today, I got a special treat for you guys. As you know, we are in a little bit of an IPO break, so there are no scheduled IPOs here in the next week or so. But I wanted to get together with you guys today and talk about the 10 upcoming IPOs that you must watch and not miss. So make sure you drop a like, subscribe to the channel, because I'm also going to talk about the 10 IPOs that are on sale right now. So what a special treat I got for you guys today. Also, don't forget to go down in the description and get the merch. It is fresh. Check that out, guys. Get your merch today. All right, cool. So it's good seeing you guys. Stay tuned. It's gonna be a fun video. I miss you guys. It's been a couple weeks. It's time for a new video. All right, so let's talk about the 10 companies, the 10 IPOs that are coming up that you must watch. All right, so I'm gonna be in the top right over here with you guys, and we're gonna go down this article from Forbes that says 10 company IPOs to watch. Let's go down the list to see which IPOs we need to keep an eye on, because they are coming up and they are coming up fast and furious once they pick up again. Okay, guys. So let's start with Stripe. I did make a video on Stripe. Right here, they have a valuation of $95 billion, and it's gonna be sometime in 2021, guys. And if you don't know what Stripe is, it's a payment system. Very, very cool company. I did make a video on it, so make sure you go back and check it out. But lifestyle's been pretty good for the San Francisco doubling payment processing giant after raising $600 million in the latest round of funding, pegging the company at an eye-popping $95 billion. Stripe could be one of the biggest ones of this year so far. So make sure you keep an eye on Stripe. Subscribe to the channel and my Twitter, and I will keep you informed on when it's coming out. Rivian, another popular company, another popular video on my channel, is coming out as well this year. We have a $70 billion valuation, and it's backed by Amazon. Okay, so this is an electric pickup company, startup called Rivian, that may go public later this fall. A great company. I made a video on it. Their vehicles are beautiful, just gorgeous, guys. I mean, I really, really like them. So make sure you keep an eye on Rivian. Instacart, this is one that we've been talking about since 2020, guys, and I have no idea why the hesitation, okay? But perhaps all the competition, you know, you got DoorDash, you got all the other ones out there. Instacart is valued right now at $39 billion. Will they ever go public? Is my question, right? So I really want this company to go public. I've been waiting for it, and it could be worth up to $50 billion, guys. So this is a big company, right? We're looking forward to it. Let's zoom in a little bit so we are bigger over here. Okay, let's go down to Discord. Now, if you guys know, I use Discord all the time. I'm always on JMax Discord. Make sure you go down in the description and check it out. I'm always on the Help Entrepreneur Discord. Make sure you go down there and join my Discord as well, because we have a lot of fun on there. We talk stocks all day, every day, and you do not want to miss our Discord. Discord is valued at $10 billion. The last thing I heard about Discord was that Microsoft was buying it, okay? Right here, Chat Startup Discord was recently in talks with Microsoft over an acquisition worth $10 billion, guys. However, that deal did not go through, as you can see right here on this article. Discord ended the deal talks with Microsoft. This would have been a great deal for Discord, but I think they think that their company's worth more than $50 billion. That's why they ended the talks with Microsoft. But just a great company overall. It's still growing, and they don't want to sell yet. So understandable. Keep an eye on Discord. They're talking about going public this year as well. So how many of you guys knew that? I did not know that. Better.com, valuation $8 billion. Okay, sometime this year as well. Looking forward to it, guys. Better.com may ride the recent housing boom to public market via SPAC. So this is one that we might see go via SPAC. There's been a couple of companies that said they were going to go SPAC, but they decided to go the IPO route. If the SPAC is not able to raise enough funding, most of these companies just decide to go public via traditional IPOs or direct listings. So we're going to keep an eye on that one as well. Like I said, it's just a digital lender of mortgage loans and so forth. So better.com, keep an eye on it. Also, if you're interested in a Loan Depot, I was talking to one of my subscribers the other day, and he did mention that this company just tanked. So there might be a good buying opportunity there on Loan Depot. Nextdoor, this is a SPAC. I do have some stock on Nextdoor. Disclosure, I did buy the SPAC ticker symbol. I can't remember right now what it is, but I'm looking at very much forward to this company IPOing. via SPAC. $4 billion. It's coming sometime in 2021. If you ever use the Nextdoor app on your iPhone, then you know that this company actually gives you like updates of what's happening around your neighborhood and stuff like that. The place that you live at. It's very, very cool company. Krispy Kreme, this one already went public, guys, so never mind about this one. I guess this article, when it was written in August, Krispy Kreme hadn't gone public yet, but they did go public. They pricing around $16 per share right now, so you want to go check that out. Krispy Kreme, a Census, valuation of $3 billion. Another longer in tooth private company, Ascensus, is the business of offering tax-preferred saving vehicles, such as 401ks, health savings, and so forth. Not very familiar with the company, but if you're interested, check it out. Couchbase, all right, valuation of $3 billion, also coming in 2021. Trying to go pretty fast through these guys because soon we're gonna get into how some of the recent IPOs have performed, and there are some buying opportunities here that I don't want you guys to miss. Okay. So after 5 years, cloud computing firm Couchbase is primed to go public in the non-distant future. If you want to see a video on Couchbase, let me know in the comments below. All right, so let's look at recent IPOs to see how they performed and if there's any buying opportunities over here. Robinhood, ticker symbol HOOD. Stock price change 34%. Okay, so this is one company that came out. I got about 10 shares of it, I think, or something like that, and it's actually risen. The price has risen 34%. So very good if you cut Robinhood at a good time. Congratulations. SoFi is down 24%. Might be a good buying opportunity over here. It's a fintech lending company, only recently made available via SPAC. Okay, so check out my buddy JMac Investing. Check out the link in the description below and go see his video on SoFi if you want that ticker symbol. Bumble, here's a company that I use all the time, right, to go out on dates. Down 40% this year. Okay, so this might be a good company over here to check out, guys, and you know, maybe keep an eye on it. Coinbase, when it first came out, oh my goodness, it was all about Coinbase, right? It just shot up to the moon, $300, almost $400, right? And now it's down 33%, guys. So, hey, buying opportunity. I'm not hating, you know what I'm saying? You might want to get on that Coinbase. Palantir, I am a Palantir shareholder. The stock price is up 122%. I mean, if you caught it around $9, congratulations to you. Just a great buy. I think the price is around $20 to $25 at this time. So guys, like I said, you don't want to miss these opportunities. You like to, we all here to make money, right? So make sure you sign up, you know, for my Patreon. I don't want to leave you guys behind. Make sure you go down in the description, sign up for my Patreon, subscribe to the channel, get all this free information at least once a week, right? Airbnb, it debuted in December 2020, basically it's unchanged, right? So the price has just moved sideways. Roblox up 24% since the IPO. Snowflake up 10%, and so forth. Coursera 11%. I was actually taking a course on Coursera on quantum physics the other day by the University of Maryland. Yes, so just a great company. You pay a flat rate and you get to take all these courses, you know, from legit universities. You know, you can learn whatever. I was learning quantum physics, you know, because I'm a little bit of a nerd, right? We over here IPO nerd, but you can learn whatever you like, you know. Lemonade up 65%, guys. Great company, great buy if you caught it at a good price. GoodRx down 32%. This is the prescription refill thing online, right? GoodRx, I made a company on it. Rocket Companies and so forth. So it's just a big long list, guys. I'm not gonna go over all of them, but I'm gonna leave a link in the description below to this article if you want to check it out on your own. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, just a great companies out here. Stay tuned because I will be coming out with Dutch Bros Part 2. That's coming up, right? I do have the S1, but I want to wait until they have a price and a date before I bring you Part 2, guys. But just you know, just great opportunities coming up. Don't miss them. Subscribe to the channel. And that is all for today, guys. I just wanted to bring you a quick video, you know, and say happy Labor Day to everyone out there. And thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for sticking in with my channel forever. Make sure you get your merch, baby. It's fresh. It's fresh. Make sure you get your merch. And, you know, stick around because the good things are coming. And we're going to be making a lot of money this year, hopefully together. So thank you so much for tuning in, guys. As always, if you like this video, make sure you drop a like, subscribe to the channel. But more important than that, make sure you take care of yourselves. And I'll see you soon. A quick shout out to my patrons. Your generosity and contributions allow me to do what I love to do and keep the channel growing, so thank you. If you want to become a patron, there's a link in the description. I bring up the pain, Rick solves the mind. I make the mic rain like acid rain. An investing channel you ever known, y'all. I think you'll blow your house, your money, and leave you broke, son.